Here we say we want to let 2x plus 3y equals 8, and 3x plus 2y equals 15. So we want to determine the value of 32x plus 33. Now, there's no way to use one equation alone just to get this. But what we can do is if we take both of these and combine them, 2x and 3x make 5x, 3y and 2y make 5y, and 8 and 15 make 23. Okay, so now, how does this help us? Well, if we multiply this all by 6, now we get 30x plus 30y, oops, let's fix that, equals, get 138. Now, how can we go from here to here? Well, what do we need? Well, on the left side, we need another 2x, and we need another 3y. Well, it just so happens that that's what that equals right there. So when we add these together, 32x plus 33y equals 146. So there's the value of that expression.